Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Shopify payments for dropshipping, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Shopify payments for your dropshipping store, start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the settings section found at the bottom left corner of your dashboard. In the settings menu, select payments. Under the payment providers section, look for Shopify payments and click on the activate button. If you don't see the option to activate Shopify payments, ensure that your store is located in a country where Shopify payments is supported. Once you click activate, you will be prompted to fill in your business details. Provide the necessary business information, which may include your business address, phone number, and legal name. Next, you will be required to input your bank account details for payouts. Make sure to double-check your bank account information for accuracy to avoid delays in receiving payments. Once you've completed the information, review Shopify's terms of service. After agreeing to the terms, submit your information for verification. Shopify will perform a review of your provided details. This process may take a few hours to a few days, so be patient while it is being processed. You will receive an email notification once your Shopify Payments account has been authenticated. Log back into your Shopify admin to confirm that Shopify Payments is now active under the Payments section. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Shopify support for assistance. Once authenticated, configure your payment settings based on your preferences for currencies and payment methods. Run a test transaction to ensure that everything is functioning correctly. Congratulations, your Shopify Payments is now fully authenticated for your dropshipping business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.